हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल मॉम स्टोरी बाय सहना। आज के इस एपिसोड में हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट हैं, एक और एडॉप्टिव पेरेंट है हमारे साथ जो कुछ खास बातें हमारे साथ शेयर करने वाली हैं। तो आज की शेयर करने वाली हैं। तो लेट्स सी कि उन्हें अपने इस जर्नी के बारे में क्या कहना है। तो आइए मिलते हैं हम दिगांगना जी से। हाय दिगांगना।
Hi Shahana,
आई होप
thank you
गुड।
for inviting me.
You're most welcome, and I'm really happy and glad that you're here and you took out this much of time from your busy schedule कि आप यहाँ पे हमारे चैनल पे कुछ बातें हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हैं। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू
So,
फॉर दैट।
hello everyone. I'm Digangana Mukherjee. मैं बैंगलोर में रहती हूँ with my family. I have two kids. मेरा एक 5 साल का बेटा है and we have a 1-year-old daughter. And what else? I mean, I think being a mother is like the most important thing happening right now in my life. I work in the social sector. I'm into corporate communications, and I love to write and I love to talk and I love to meet new people, and gardening and everything is like my whole world, right? So yeah, that's me.
तो दिगांगना, जैसे कि आपने बोला कि आपका जस्ट मदरहुड, यू आर एंजॉयिंग योर मदरहुड राइट नाउ लाइक विद 2 किड्स एंड मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, इनफैक्ट मेरे सारे व्यूअर्स ये जानना चाहते हैं कि जब भी हम ये डिसीजन लेते हैं अडॉप्ट करने के लिए, तो उस डिसीजन हम लोग तो ले लेते हैं, लाइक यू नो एज ए कपल वी टेक द डिसीजन। व्हाट अबाउट लाइक द फैमिली? क्योंकि फैमिली को हमेशा ये लगता है कि जब आपका एक बायोलॉजिकल किड है तो व्हाई आर यू गोइंग फॉर अडॉप्शन, व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई फॉर अ सेकंड बायो किड? तो ऐसे केस में आपकी फैमिली में क्या कुछ चैलेंजेस आए थे या फिर उनको किस तरह से आपने मतलब हैंडल किया, मतलब अगर चैलेंजेस आए थे तो?
Challenges to obviously आए थे because like you said, I think it is very obvious. The idea comes for the parents, like for me and for my husband, that it was an idea or it was a decision which we took, right? तो जब हमने parents को बताया, so what we did was registered on Kara, we sat down both sets of our parents separately और हमने उनको बोला कि ऐसा ऐसा we have decided, that this is what we want to do. तब हमारा बेटा, he was almost 2 years old, 2.5 years old, almost. So then, like again, like you said, the obvious first thing was, if you want a second kid, why don't you have a second kid? Like, why don't you conceive? And what is the problem? And we were like, there's no problem. It's not like we want and there's any problem. Hence, we are going for adoption. This is something that me and my husband, we actually wanted to do before we got married. Like, when we were just seeing each other, this is a very conscious decision that we took, that one day, once we have our bio kid, we would like to give a nice whatever little home to another kid who deserves nothing less, right? So that was the thought from where we thought we wanted to do this. Parents, जब हमने बोला ये बात, तो there were lots of questions, okay, like lots of them from every angle, like emotional and taking care part and financial and like everything, see, they are also our parents. So we knew and we understood that all these questions and concerns are coming from a good place, right? So we answered everything, because thankfully me and my husband, we were like on one page, और हमने ये डिसाइड कर लिया था कि जो भी बोलेंगे हम, मतलब we have to say the same thing, otherwise they will be worried, they will be afraid, right? That maybe they are not ready, maybe they are taking it like an instant kind of a decision without thinking. So that happened. And then, as we all know, for Kara, once registration happens, there's like a very long wait. So हमने क्या किया, बीच में, like, you know, every time we would talk to them over phone or they would come and visit, we would kind of drop this discussion saying, you know, when the baby comes, so that, you know, our parents wouldn't think that it was just a pass off phase, and, you know, we are not serious about it. So we kind of used to drop those discussions to them, or speak about this thing in front of our son to, you know, kind of make it normal in front of them. Then apprehensions were still there. I will not say that it was all very smooth sailing. There was still apprehensions till the end. The moment that, you know, they saw the video from the home itself we had sent, and I think all apprehension, everything went out of the window, and they were like very, very happy that, you know, this is happening. Yeah,
That's so awesome. And I think this is what happens with, you know, like most of the parents, right?
however, we did one thing, is we included them in making decisions. Like, even when we came to know that the referral has come, so, you know, kind of talking to them about, you know, so what do you think is better, how should we go to get the kid, you know. And then I was constantly talking to both the mothers, saying that, okay, you know, what should I buy, I have some stuff that I've kept from my son's thing, but, you know, do you think this is enough, do you think I should get something. So though the response from the other side was really not amazing, I have to agree, but I kept on doing that because I wanted them to belong. It was bad enough that they were not here with me, but even through phone or through video calls, I was trying to show them, okay, see, this is the place that I have decided I'll keep my, you know, her stuff, do you think this is enough, do you think I need to buy something else. So, you know, these kind of things I was trying to include them in decision making, right? Yeah.
So, Digangana, let's ask me a very important question. क्योंकि मैंने ये जब से चैनल स्टार्ट किया है और मैंने एफबी ग्रुप में भी, अडॉप्शन ग्रुप में ज्वाइन किया है, मुझे काफी सारे ऐसे, यू नो, मैसेजेस मैं पढ़ती हूँ, या मुझे भी मैसेजेस आते हैं कि हमारा रेफरल आ गया है, लेकिन अभी हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि हम क्या करें. एंड दे आर लाइक रियली टेंस्ड, दैट एंग्जाइटी. एंड यू नो, आई हैव सीन ए कपल ऑल्सो जिन्होंने रजिस्ट्रेशन किया, ऑलमोस्ट उनका रेफरल आने वाला था, एंड दे बैक्ड आउट. Then I saw another couple, like they were talking to me very regularly until their referral came, और उनका referral आया. वो इनफैक्ट एडॉप्शन एजेंसी तक भी गए, और वहां से वो लोग बिना बच्चे से मिले वापस आ गए. तो मतलब ये एंग्जाइटी क्या आपको भी हुआ था क्या, मतलब इस तरह का, यू नो, सेल्फ डाउट, और यू नो, you had that such kind of thing?
It is very common, no, Shibrana? This is I don't know if life altering बोलना सही है कि नहीं, but it's a very, very important decision of your life, है ना, कि मतलब you are taking responsibility of another life, and, you know, with your own choice. It's your own choice, right? That I in my sane mind want to take responsibility of another person till that person is established enough to look after him or herself. This is a big, big responsibility, and it is very, very obvious to be anxious. There is
nothing wrong, right?
Like you, yeah, like you. Yeah. I get so many queries saying that, am I, you know, will I be a good mother? I'm being so tensed about the whole thing. Of course you'll be a good mother. Being a good mother has nothing to do with being anxious or that love at first sight. Oh my God, this love at first sight question I really want to address, Tatana, because once and for all, I need to tell people that love at first sight पहले तो बहुत ही overrated है. Okay, let's
I totally agree with that. Yes,
it's a chemical imbalance that happens in your mind. Okay, scientifically. So, and that proves nothing. That proves absolutely nothing, because being a mother or being a parent, right, is so much more than just that moment and how you feel when you see that picture when it comes. And you will not believe, Shanna, I have even got this query like, the picture came, I saw, but nothing happened. Does this mean something? And, you know, I want to tell you something over here. I don't know, I mean, if it helps people, when
Mhm.
my bio kid was born and I
Mhm.
held him for the first time, I did not feel that connection. I did not feel that connection. It took me 32 days, and I can tell you the days because trust me, it was so traumatizing that I remember how many days it actually took me to get that feeling that okay, I'm now feeling connected to this person who I'm holding, and that's my son, and I'm the mother, and it's like an eternal bond, right?
Mhm.
It also has got a lot to do with how society kind of portrays. Like there's a certain way that you have to feel, there's a certain way that
Correct,
you
correct.
need to be when you become a mother. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. This is like really
Totally agree. Totally
not right.
agree with you.
Okay,
In fact,
I mean,
I
fi- like 5 years down the line, my son, and I know I'm a freaking awesome mother. Okay, and how I know that? Because every single mother in this planet is awesome. Okay, that's how it is, and it has got nothing to do with those first 32 days that I spent sleeplessly at night thinking that something is wrong with me. I'm not feeling that connection. Okay, and but again, you see the irony here. When I had my bio kit, nobody asked me whether it was love at first sight,
correct, correct.
because लोग assume ही कर लेते हैं
Assumption,
कि
it's an
खुदा है,
assumption. ये तो
blood है,
तुम्हारा
exactly, it's
exactly.
assumption कि connection होगा ही होगा. नहीं होता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Okay, and whether it is love at first sight, whether it is not, I think people just need to uh, really focus on कि मैं कब I will bring my hurt child home, and I will build a beautiful family with that person, and don't think about pehle when I see her, will she cry, will she laugh, will she come to me, will she not come to me. All these things, please put this all away from your mind. You have taken a beautiful decision of giving life, giving a family to a little soul, and let's just concentrate on doing that, right? Yeah.
Totally agree. Because I still remember when my bio kid was born, I saw her and I was thinking, would my elder kid be looking the same, like when she was such a baby? Because I never saw her when she was such a baby. Like this connection takes time. You cannot just build it in,
Exactly.
a day
You
or
have
two
to
or
nurture, you have to love, you have to nurture
correct.
that thing inside you. Like I said, motherhood, parenthood, जो भी आप बोलो, you need to
Mm-hmm.
nurture that in order to feel that connection ऐसे ही नहीं होता है. It's not, it doesn't. Though
Correct.
for my heart child it happened. The moment I saw that person, the nurse was brought her wrapped up in a sheet, and she was holding her, and this one was laughing away to glory. I don't know what was so funny. She was laughing away to glory, and I was crying. Okay,
Oh my
so
God.
Kunal is like, this is like the best scene, and even the people there at the agency बोले ये तो first time हुआ है कि बच्ची हंस रही है और
Oh
माँ
my,
रो रही है. So
oh my
that was
God.
quite funny, but it was, I think, I mean, it's overwhelming. I mean, that's all it is. There's no
Totally.
nothing else. It's just too overwhelming when you know that you can hold a life in your hand, be it your heart child, be it your tummy child, be it any child. I think it's just love. It's pure love that you feel. That's it.
And I'm sure she would be very happy. हाँ मेरी मम्मा आ गई, finally आ गई. I'm going to go home now. And खुशी के आंसू छलक गए. I should say that, like with the dialogue and all. तो जैसे कि हमने देखा कि दिगांगना जी ने शेयर किया कि किसी भी तरह का कनेक्शन को जो बिल्डअप होने में का थोड़ा सा टाइम तो लगता ही है, चाहे वो बायोलॉजिकल किड हो, चाहे वो हार्ट चाइल्ड हो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स एंग्जाइटीज विल ऑलवेज बी देयर. एंड जैसे कि हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी शेयर किया, एंड जो भी मदर होंगे, जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे देख रहे होंगे, चाहे उनके बायोलॉजिकल बेबीज हो या फिर हार्ट बेबीज हो या फिर वो प्रोस्पेक्टिव एडॉप्टिव पेरेंट्स हो, आई एम श्योर आपके मन में भी वो पुक 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 होता रहता है कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, क्या मैं उससे इतना प्यार कर पाऊंगी, या फिर विल द चाइल्ड रेसिप्रोकेट द सेम लव टू मी. So these kind of things are really common and natural, and you don't have to worry too much about it. So thank you so much, Digangana, for coming forward again. I'm going to thank you, and thank you so much for doing this for me. नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में हम कुणाल से भी मिलेंगे और हम जानेंगे कि मदरहुड तो बहुत ज्यादा, इट्स लाइक ओवररेटेड, एवरीबॉडी इज टॉकिंग अबाउट मदरहुड.
No.
लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फादरहुड. और तो कुणाल से मिलते हैं हम अपने अगले एपिसोड में. तो तब तक के लिए टेक केयर गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच एंड स्टे ट्यून टू माय चैनल मॉम स्टोरी बाय साना. टाटा.